Good evening, Mahavatar TV and all the team. Thanks for giving opportunity to me, madam. Good evening, masters. Good evening, everyone. Now I am sharing about Sahajashanka Mudra. To form this mudra, bring the palms together. Bring the palms together and interlock the fingers. Bring the palms together and interlock the fingers and place your thumbs. Place your thumbs. Place your thumbs parallel to each other by gently pressing on outer index finger. Gently pressing on outer index finger. This mudra is called simplified conch shell shield. Conch shell shield. Sahajashanka mudra. Hold this mudra around navel region. Hold this mudra around navel region, masters. Now we are knowing benefits of this mudra. This mudra activates all the 10 nadis, all the principal 10 nadis. These 10 nadis are Aida, Pingala, Shushumna, Gandhari, Hastjihvi, Pusha, Yashaswini, Ambusha, Kuha, Kuhu and Shankini. The Shankini nadi is said to activate the Mooladhara chakra. This mudra improves one's attention and alertness. Like Shanka mudra, this mudra too is helpful with problems related to speech and voice. It also develops confidence. And helps to express the one's thoughts clearly. And piles and other disorders related to Anas is cured. Like cures problems related to stomach and intestine, masters. Stomach and intestine. It also gives relief to people with slip discs. Thank you, master. That's all over. Madam, please share that image to masters.
Yes.
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 Thank you.
Masters,
Thank you for
I'll share the image
yes, madam.
so that it will be easy for you. So once again, you just revise this. We will revise the mudra. This is Shanka mudra, right, sir? Naresh, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yeah, you have
Once
to hold this
another one I
mudra.
have shared, madam.
Yeah, hold this mudra near stomach, right? This is the position. Can you see, masters? So this is how you have to hold the position of the mudra near your stomach.
Another one I will share,
These
madam.
are the
Another one
benefits.
picker.
Yeah, it helps in resolving slip disc issues, cure piles problem. Also, the nerve Shankini would activate Mooladhara chakra. The spinal cord becomes straight.
I have shared like
Yes.
this.
Ma'am,
Thanks, madam.
15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is the ideal recommendation for mudras, ma'am. Bhuwana, ma'am?
Master, please take screenshots to this mudra to helpful.